Hello बच्चों, the question is, in our society, women are blamed for producing female children. Choose the correct answer for sex determination in human beings. In our society, the females are generally blamed for producing female child. So this is very means this is not correct because it is actually the male who is responsible for producing the male or female child, and it can be proved by the genetic makeup of males and females. So let's see how the determination of sex occurs in case of human beings. So in case of human beings, the sex determination means the zygote will develop into a male or a female. It depends on the male. So it is dependent on the chromosomes. So this is called chromosomal sex determination. Now a female, in each cell there are 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosomes, and these two sex chromosomes are identical and these are named, or these are given the name XX. So in females, two X chromosomes are there. These are two homologous chromosomes which are uh, responsible for determining the sex. So these are called the sex chromosomes or allosomes. So there are total of 46 chromosomes. Now in case of a male also, there are 22 pairs of autosomes, but here there is one X chromosome and a relatively smaller Y chromosome. So the male is having the sex chromosomes X and Y. Now the female is homogametic because it produces same type of gamete. So it is homogametic. Homo means same. While the male produces two types of sperms, so it is heterogametic. Hetero means different. So gametes are formed by the meiosis. Meiosis is the reductional division. So the number of chromosomes get half. So here the egg, each egg or ovum will be receiving 23 chromosomes. Out of these, 22 will be the autosomes. So out of these 22 pairs, there will be 22 and one X chromosome. So all eggs will be having the similar karyotype. But here the two types of sperms are produced. One are having the 22 autosomes and one X chromosome. So we can draw it like X. Now such sperms are called the gymnosperms. The sperms which are having the X chromosome, they are called the gymnosperms, while 50% of sperms will be having the Y chromosomes, and such sperms are called the androsperms. So this chromosome is with Y and the egg is having X. Now there are equal chances of fusion of the egg with sperm. So if a sperm fuses, this X or gymnosperm fuses with this egg, so there will be 22 autosome, 22 pairs of autosome, 22 coming from male and 22 coming from female, and one X chromosome in the sperm and one X chromosome in the egg. So there will be 22 pairs of autosome plus XX. So this zygote will develop into a female, while if this egg fuses with this sperm, so there will be 22 pairs of autosomes along with one X and one Y. So such a zygote will develop into a male because Y chromosome is having the characters for male. So we can see here that it is actually the sperm, because sperms are of two types. So it is dependent on the sperm, that which sperm is fused with the egg. So let's see now why the means we have to choose the right statement with respect to sex determination. So it first is due to some defects like aspermia in men. So it is incorrect. Aspermia, A means without. So if a male is incapable of producing sperm, so this is called aspermia. So this is not the basis of sex determination. The second is due to genetic makeup of the particular sperm which fertilize the egg. So this is very much true because we have seen that it is the genetic makeup, whether the sperm is having the X or Y chromosome and which chromosome is fusing with the egg. So this is true. Now third is due to genetic makeup of the egg. So it is incorrect because all the eggs are having same genetic makeup. And the fourth is due to some defect in women. So we have discussed that the mechanism of sex determination is based on the chromosomes. So option B is the right answer of this. I hope this explanation is helpful. All the best.